Hello traders, as I told you in my last video, I will come with one more strategy. Here I am. This is a scalping kind of day trading. Okay, this is very much like one of my strategies that was a daily candle breakout strategy, but this is quite different one, and one more indicator has been added here. This is the volume. The volume, gives us like a good idea when the market is the good amount of volume is there, because in this strategy guys we need the good amount of volume. And this one, as I've tested for with the time frame R1. Okay, so let's start with the strategy. Before we begin, the risk the winning ratio of this strategy guys somewhere around 70%, 65%. Okay, which is quite good. All right, so the rule is very simple. Some of you may have already know the rule, which is let's say we begin from here. Okay, so this red bearish candle is the signal candle. The moment this candle closes and the next candle opens up and it crosses the below of the previous candle, we will place a sell order here. All right, so let me drag this one here. Okay, excuse me guys, it's a line chart here. Let's choose color this brown, and this here at this point. Okay, here you will place a sell order, and the take profit would be somewhere around how much pips it has moved, 26 pips, let's say 10 pips. Okay, we will go with the 10 pips take profit, 10 pips stop loss, this 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So first take profit will be at somewhere around here 10 pips, and the second take profit you will keep on running. Okay, but for now, just for the calculation, we will add only 10 pips. Okay, so we've got 10 pips here. Now based on this strategy guys, the next candle whenever opens here and it did break below of this previous candle, so we will place a sell order here, which is obviously guys 100% stop loss here. Okay, so we got 10 pips and we lost the 10 pips, minus 10, we got nothing, not a problem. So in this here you will place a buy order based on the strategy. It did not move much. Okay, just 8 point something, and if we can include the spread and commission, it's even not a 9 or 8 pips. So however, in this strategy guys, since this is kind of scalping, so the moment your order moves in your direction even few pips, instantly you will drag your stop loss at break even point, which would be somewhere around here. So this is a break even position, no loss, no profit. Okay, and you will place a sell order here based on the strategy right here, and then again this is a break even, and then you will place a sell order here. Here you got, yeah, this would have been given 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips guys. Okay, now you will not place sell order here, even though it based on the strategy it has to be sell order here, but you will not, because excuse me guys, based on my experience, if the bearish candle or the bullish candle continuation, this is R1 candle, so it's not always that the market will keep on moving. Okay, and will keep on forming same bearish or bullish candle. There has to be retracement. That's why I consider only 3 candles in a row. Okay, in a row only 3 candles. So I will not trade a sell order here, not because of that what I'm saying here it did go up, but because of this rule of this strategy, and I'll show you later. Okay, so you will place a buy order here. You got 10 pips here. Okay, 10 pips, and then you will place one more buy order here based on the strategy, which was obviously guys the break even, and then based on the strategy you will place one more order here, which is the definitely 100% stop loss. so you will minus 10 pips. Okay, this one we will do nothing because this candle neither did close excuse me, this candle neither broke the higher of the previous candle nor did break the lower of the previous candle, so we will do nothing. This candle, however, certainly we will place short order here, even though it's 20 pips, but we will calculate only 10 pips here, 10 pips profit. Then you place a sell order here, this point, and break even. And this candle we will do nothing because, you know, this again, no low, no like bottom, high, didn't cross either way. And moreover, guys, you need to keep in mind the volume, you know, keep on drying up, so you will wait, right? There is no specific rule how much like the volatility, the volume has to be there, but just by looking at the chart, you know, you will come to know that the volume is not there, so you will not do anything, nothing here, not even here. You will not do anything here, just you will wait. Okay, and then since the volatility, the volume is keep on increasing here, right over here you will place a sell order. Definitely you got 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips, and there you place one more sell order here, which would have given you one more, yeah, 10 pips. Okay, sorry, total it was 40 pips. Okay, it's total 40 pips. And here we will place a buy order. Now guys, this is a little bit tricky here because, you know, based on this strategy you place a buy order the moment this candle closes the previous high, but this candle itself this candle did not move much enough. Okay, but the next candle you will see here, it did go down, but I think it's just 5.4 pips including spread. It did not go the 10 pips below, so it did not hit our stop loss, but rather it went up and we got the take profit up 10 pips. I hope you got my points. Okay, just it's overall 20 pips, 50 pips, sorry. Okay, here's the take profit, and based on this strategy we will place a one more buy order here, which was obviously, guys, a break even. Okay, this candle, yes, now based on the rule you will not place a buy order because 1 2 3 bearish candle in a row. Okay, but you will place a sell order here, which would have given you a stop loss there, clearly a stop loss. Okay, this one was included in a stop loss. Okay, now this candle you place a buy order. Okay, you got the 10 pips here. Okay, and this one you place a sell order here, you break even, guys. This is the break even 100%. Which one was this one, right? I think, or this one, or this one. So you place sell order here, stop loss minus 10 pips. We have got 40 pips. This candle did nothing. All right, and this candle, based on the strategy, we place a sell order here. This itself, this candle did nothing, not moved much enough, but the next candle, it gave us profit of 10 pips. Okay, for 50 pips, guys. So this has already been done, so we will, based on the, you will place a buy order here. Okay, all right, so you got plus 10. Okay, so on and so forth. So I believe, guys, you got an idea, right, what is this strategy is all about. And the winning ratio, guys, is, as I mentioned, somewhere around 70-65% pips with 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is obviously, guys, good because, you know, in this strategy there is nothing too much analysis. All right, just you need to wait for the candle. You've got the volume indicators here, and then if you include like a few more like analysis, let's say the candlestick formation, you know, the head and shoulder double bottom, sort of like those things, that would be added advantage, right? Otherwise you simply follow the rule and that's enough, guys. And you let's say you plot a 5 6 7 chart, and even you don't have to keep on looking every time on the chart because it's a like a hourly candle. Okay, So just because there may be difference in your local time and the broker time, right? So you need to adjust accordingly. What is the timing, your local time, and what is the broker time. And yes, once you are in any trade, then you need to manage, you need to keep on looking to manage the open positions. And guys, I tried to create the expert advisor for this strategy. The robot is almost ready, but there are some bugs in that that expert advisor. Sometime the expert advisor doesn't open a trade, whereas based on the strategy there has to be a trade. But hopefully guys, I'm working on it, and in a couple of weeks I will be able to finish. Otherwise guys, you can also give it a try. I am not an expert in coding. I just use the like a third-party software. That link you will get the description of this video. Whenever I'm done with the expert advisor, and I'll make that available in our website and let you guys know. You can download from there, okay, and test it. And I believe guys, even if you do it manually or the expert advisor, this strategy guys would be, even it's very very simple but very effective, so I believe. So far it has given me a good amount of green pips. Alright guys, for this video and for this video, I really appreciate your thoughts and comments and suggestions and improvement about this strategy. And finally guys, I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys watching this video. I'll come with next video, another strategy. Alright guys, see you then till next video.